In this video, I'll show you how to type in Microsoft Word on your mobile phone in 2026 using a simple step-by-step process. Whether you're creating notes, writing assignments, preparing reports, or working on documents while you're away from your computer, you can do everything directly from your smartphone. To get started, open the Microsoft Word app on your mobile phone. If you already have an existing document, tap on it to open it. If you want to create a new document, tap the plus icon or the new document option and select blank document. Once your document opens, tap anywhere on the page where you want to start typing. Your phone's keyboard will automatically appear on the screen, allowing you to enter text just like you would in any messaging app or note-taking application. Begin typing your content and use the keyboard controls to add punctuation, numbers, symbol, and special characters whenever needed. If you want to start a new line or paragraph, simply tap the Enter or Return key on your keyboard. You can also use the formatting tools to make your text bold, italic, underline, change the font size, adjust alignment, or add lists and headings to make your document look more professional. As you type, Microsoft Word will automatically save your progress so you don't have to worry about losing your work. Once you're finished, you can continue editing later, share your document with others, or export it in different formats directly from your phone. And that's it. That's how you can type in Microsoft Word on a mobile phone in 2026 step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.